everyone, and welcome back. I hope you guys are all doing good. Today I'm going to be doing a review and a swatch on the OWNEST Glitter Liquid Eyeliner 5 milliliters, which is 10 US fluid ounces. So it says 0.16 times 10 US fluid ounces. And then these are some of the colors in here. This is the back. It states it here, and I'm going to read it. Quote, "Don't use the production when feeling any discomfort, and please using the production before expiration." End quote. Pro date 2/3/2023, expiration 2/2/2028. So I got this from Amazon, and it was around $14.99, but sometimes they have it in special, as they do right now, for $8.99. And then it says on the description, and again, I'm going to quote it from the Amazon website. Quote, "OWNEST 10 Colors Liquid Glitter Eyeliner, Metallic Shimmer Glitter Eyeshadow, Long-Lasting Waterproof Shimmer Sparkling Eyeliner Eyeshadow 10 pieces." End quote. So yes, it's these right here. On the Amazon website, it has 4 stars out of 5. Today, I'm going to give you my honest opinion and my honest review. So let's get started, guys. So the first thing I'm going to do is take them out of here. Now I'm going to go ahead and swatch them for you guys. So these are numbered just like the other eyeliners I tried. I don't know if it's the same company with a different name. Okay guys, so now I'm going to go ahead and try it on my eyelids. Okay guys, final product. Now, out of 10, I would give this a 2. Again, this is my opinion on everything from this product, and it's a 2. First and foremost, it's burning my eyelids, so I need to take it off immediately. 2, you have to keep on applying over and over and over again, and it still does not stay. I don't know if you guys can tell, the blue ran down to my waterline, and it's like really bad. And then it's very like streaky, very watery. Like there's more water than there is glitter. Guys, this didn't do it for me. Of course, I will use them again to see how it feels, if I still have this burning sensation or not. So I will definitely be using these again, but only when I wear my eyeshadow first and then my eyeliner to see if I still have that burning sensation. So far I do. And I don't like it, so I need to take it off. So my review, my honest opinion, you guys can go ahead and try them, but for me it's a 2 out of 10. I didn't like it. Lots of cons, and the pro is that they're pretty colors, I guess. In this eye, I added and applied more to the eyeliner, so I stacked it up and it looks way better than this eye. This eye I just did 2 application process. This one it was 3. So you guys can see the difference there. So I will use them again, but again, my final rating is a 2 out of 10. Go ahead and check them out on Amazon. Again, I'm not sponsored by them. I bought this with my own money, and I'm just letting you know before you go ahead and purchase them. So my opinion, not really worth the money, even if it's $8 or $11. With that being said, thank you so much for watching this video. Give it a like if you like it, and if you want to see more videos like this, If you haven't subscribed to my channel, go ahead and subscribe. If you have, thank you so much. And again, I hope you guys have a good evening, morning, night, wherever you're at. Until next time. Bye, guys.